Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Friday Favorites. I have a couple good things this week to share with you. I think I only have one thing from Trader Joe's though, I'm sorry, but the other stuff is really good. So let's get started. First thing to talk about is a candle. This candle is from Target actually. It looks like this and it's actually like a really pretty like frosted kind of taupey, I don't know, holder. And it smells so good. I saved the little thing here because when I took this off, it has nothing on it. This is like in the dollar section when you first go in. And it is the scent Fireside Spice. Now, to me, this smells so much better than the Bath & Body Works, like Fireside, whatever it's called. You guys know the popular one. I have that. And this smells nothing like that. It smells so good and so authentic. And I think because it has like a hint of spice in it, it just smells really good. And I just kind of like set this on the table back there to burn, you know, and it really gave like a really nice fragrance. Very like kind of woodsy and fiery and it's just really nice. And nothing, you know, overpowering. It's probably not as strong as the Bath & Body Works, which is okay because sometimes it can be a little too much, but it is just really nice and it's only $5 and it's a really, you know, nice size candle. And I wanted to share that with you because, you know, if you are, you know, looking for something kind of like a dupe, or if you don't want to like spend the money on Bath & Body Works, or you're not like, you know, a huge fan of some of their scents, try this. They had, I think, one other one there. I mean, one was kind of like wiped out, but this is the one that just kind of went. And I really, like I said, it's pretty. It kind of matches my whole decor in here, but it just smells really, really good. If you are there, just get a whiff of it. It just reminds me of it, only it's 10 times better. So have that. And then I have a book. This is the book. It's called Influencer, and it just says building your personal brand, you know, in social media. So I picked this up, and it's a fairly, I mean, it's a long book, but it's a fairly easy read. And it's just kind of about growing in social media and, you know, if like you're an influencer or if you're looking to do things. A lot of the stuff in the book really didn't apply to me because I am not at that level, but it was really interesting and just, I picked up like actually a lot of good tips, you know, in it. I just ordered it, actually got it from Barnes & Noble, and I did the, where you like order it on like the website or the app or whatever, and then you can pick it up in the store. Because if I go into a bookstore and I'm just going for one thing, I will literally be in there for like 45 minutes just looking at everything and picking stuff out. So I was kind of crunched for time, and I said to myself, you know what, I better do this, otherwise I'll never get out of there. So I did that, and it's really great. You just kind of go up to the register and pick it up because I had already paid for it. And then I know sometimes, like for me, if I can't find something, like I don't want to ask, but like in a bookstore, you never know like where something like this would be. So that way they had to find it. So, but it's just like really cool. Like in one of them, I like kind of bookmarked it, and it was telling you like the hashtags to use, you know, for what your, you know, channel is, not your channel, but like what your following is, like what you do, like the hashtags to use. And it just gave like a lot of really good like tips and advice and stuff. And I think anyone, whether you're just starting out or you're really popular, I think anyone could really benefit from this, just to kind of give you like a fresh set of eyes and just kind of to hear it from people that do it. And again, do I think it's gonna, you know, I don't know. It just, to me, it just kind of was interesting to read because, you know, not many people talk about, you know, YouTube and Instagram and doing all this. So it's not like you, you know, it's just good to hear from someone in the industry, I guess, but it was very interesting. So if you are, I would actually recommend this to anybody that makes videos or that, you know, does Instagram or whatever, because it is very informative. So, and again, I picked up a couple good tricks from them and will recommend this. Okay, let's get into the food because I know that's what you're here for. This is my one pick from Trader Joe's. I'm telling you, pause this video, go in your car right now, drive to your nearest Trader Joe's and buy this. It is the banana cake with cream cheese frosting. I have never tasted something more delicious than this. I had seen this on Instagram, on one of the Trader Joe's Instagrams, and I was like, I like need this. And then by the time I got to Trader Joe's, I was like, I bet you they're not gonna have it. And I went to one Trader Joe's and they had it, but it was like on an obscure table and I was like the only one, and I was like, oh my God, but I got it, and it's so good. Like I literally, oh my God, it is just delicious. And then when I went to Trader Joe's just the other day to, just do my grocery shopping, now in like the bakery section, like where all the breads are and stuff, and kind of like where the bagels are, they have this now, like a whole, section of it. It says new, and it has a carrot cake one, which I got, but this banana cake, it's like this banana bread, but like really moist and just delicious. And it has the cream cheese frosting, which is so good. It does not taste fake or like too sugary. Cause like that's the thing, like I don't really like really overly sweet things or overly like sugary. I just don't like it. But it's just the whole thing is so good. And I don't know, the packaging is cute. Like it looks like an enamel pan. It's just, I don't know. It's just very cute and it's delicious. Is it good for you? Hell no. But is it tasty? Yes. So I actually end up keeping it in the fridge because I don't want it to go bad. And then when I want to have some, I take it out and let it sit out for a little bit to get soft. So that is that. And then the last snack that's actually healthy is this, and I'm very late to the bandwagon on this, I know. This is Skinny Pop popcorn. This is actually the white cheddar one. I have the regular one as well. Funny fact about this, I went to get my car serviced, and there they have like a whole like snack thing, and like free snacks and whatever. So they had muffins, you could have breakfast made or whatever. Anyway, and then they had like a bin of like snacks, and the only thing that really appealed to me was the popcorn, and it was like a little thing of the regular Skinny Pop. So I got that and I ate it. It was so good, and I was like, oh my God, how can this be so delicious and like really be not that bad? So then I got hooked, and then I went to the grocery store and they had them 2 for $6. So I got the regular and the white cheddar. White cheddar is delicious. There is like hardly, like in 3.5 cups, there is like 15 carbs, and there is just like really low in sodium, and it's like so good. There's no sugar. I'm like, how can it be this good? And I would never eat 3.5 cups. That's a lot for me. But even at a cup, that's still, even at 2 cups, it's not bad at all. I'm like, where has this been all my life? And why am I so late to the bandwagon on Skinny Pop? Can you guys please tell me? Because it's really, really delicious. And it's like kind of almost guilt-free, because like, how can you pass that up when you are looking for a, like a salty craving or just whatever, or just something to snack on? Highly recommend this. So if you are like me and you never had Skinny Pop, check it out, because it's really good. Even the regular one, it's like kind of not overly salty, but just enough salt that it kind of gives you that satisfaction. Oh my God, guys, seriously, Skinny Pop for the win. So that is my Friday favorites for this week. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you want to keep seeing these Friday favorites. I know a lot of you really like them and really look forward to them, but I noticed that they don't get a lot of views. So for me, I'm like, I know I started this back in, I think, August of last year. So I've been doing it for a while, but just let me know, do you really still want to keep seeing it every week, or would you rather me just do like one lifestyle video a month instead of doing, the weekly favorites? Because maybe that would be better. So you guys let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you for watching.